Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here scroll to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Then choose fingerprint and tap on agree. Here we have to enter our screen lock to confirm the whole step. However, if you do not have the screen lock, your device will ask you to add it. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So just add it then. Here we've got the reminder about the screen protector. Basically, sometimes the screen protector might affect the fingerprint recognition, so be aware about that. Tap on add now, and here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, so try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, just tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, so it's completely up to you. Here you've got also the fingerprint animation, so if you wish you can change it just to the one you like the most. Then you can decide whether you'd like to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off, and it's also completely up to you. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.